Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a desktop icon not showing in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After opening that, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Click on a Windows Explorer and click on Restart. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization. After that, go to your themes, click on desktop icon settings, and make sure that all desktop icons checked and click on apply and OK button. The third method is that go to your desktop, right click, go to your view, and make sure that selected the show desktop icons. Now you can see that after doing this that I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.